Welcome to our no-build Honda Element camper build. I'm Lainey.
I'm Shawn, and we designed our 2008 Honda Element to be a little micro camper that you can take apart and put back together. So we're going to show you how easy it is to put it back together. So here we go. Take the seats out. So Lainey's using 3 zip ties on the midpoint tie down, like a radius, so that it's held down in as many ways as you can. I'm just using 2 in the back, 1 on the tie down and 1 on a little piece of plastic. We did it!
Toastie is back to a lean, mean camping machine.
And even though it took us a while to figure out how to take the seats out again, I think we did the whole thing in about half an hour with like filming and stuff, so you could probably do it in
20 minutes
20
maybe.
minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, we did measure all this. We've done this before, so the benches, we knew where they went and the zip ties, but that's the beauty. Take it apart, put it back together. Take it apart,
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to more of our videos. We've got adventures in our Toastie camper as well as international travel in the future. We'll see you next time.
Kevin's back. Atta girl, she likes it. She's excited about Toastie.
Toastie's back. Toastie's back. Toastie's back. Toastie's back. Toastie's back. Toastie.